Good morning, children. So how are all of you? Welcome to your storytelling class. So today in our storytelling class, I am going to tell you the story of the three little pigs. Yes, the three pigs were brothers. And what were their names, children? Their names were Giggy, Higgy and Jiggy. Okay, so one day they decided to make their own homes. So Giggy made his home with straw. So what is straw, children? Straw are the dried stems of plants. Okay, in villages you will see that people have covered the roofs of their house with straw. So this is Giggy's house. So now this is Higgy's house. Higgy had made his home with sticks. Okay, children? And this one is Jiggy's house. Jiggy had made his house with bricks, a bit stronger one. Okay? So one day they were playing outside their home with a ball and they were very happy. So when they were playing, there was a very bad wolf whose name was Waggy. So Waggy was hiding behind the bushes and he saw that the three little pigs were playing with a ball and he went there to attack the pigs. Okay, so when the three little pigs saw that Waggy wolf came there to attack them, they immediately went inside Giggy's home. This one is Giggy's home. So when they went inside their home, they closed the door and Giggy told the Waggy wolf that you bad big wolf, you cannot attack us. My house will save the three of us from you. So what the wolf did, he became very angry and he huffed and puffed like this. He blew away Giggy's home. See, Giggy's home was made with straw, so it was not very strong. It was a very weak home. So the home was blew away by the huff and puff of the wolf. Then the three little pigs were very scared. They were very scared. So they went inside to Higgy's home. See, this one is Higgy's home. Higgy's home is made with sticks. So when they went inside Higgy's home, Higgy told the bad wolf that, hey, bad big wolf, you cannot attack us. My home will save the three of us. You cannot attack us. The wolf became very angry that how can the three little pigs say like this to me? So he huffed and puffed like, but in the first attempt he was not able to blow away the home. Then again he applied his full energy and again he huffed and puffed like. So when he did this, the second time, Higgy's home was blew away by the wolf. Then the three little pigs were very scared. Now what to do? Then they ran away from there and went inside Jiggy's home. Now Jiggy's home is very strong. It is made with bricks and the homes which are made of bricks are very strong. So when they went inside Jiggy's home, Jiggy told the wolf that, hey, bad big wolf, you cannot blow away my home. My home will save us from you. So this time the wolf applied his full energy in blowing the home. Like he huffed and puffed Again he huffed and puffed, and again he huffed and puffed, but he was not able to blow away Jiggy's home, because Jiggy's home was very strong. So finally he got tired, and he was also very angry, and with anger he tried to break the home with his head. But in this attempt he got hurt in his head and he ran away from there. So the three little pigs were very happy that the Waggy wolf could not attack them. Is not it, children? Isn't the story very nice? So what did we learn from the story, children? That if we stand united, if we stand together, no one can do any harm to us. Is not it, children? So we should always be together. Hope you like the story, children. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.